Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Are you confused about how debit cards actually work? Or how they're different from credit cards? In this video, I'll quickly explain what a debit card is and how it works. A debit card is a plastic or digital card linked directly to your bank account. When you pay with a debit card, the money comes straight out of your account instantly or within a short time. In case of debit cards, you're not borrowing money from bank. By using debit card, you're spending your own money. You can use a debit card in stores, online, and at ATMs. Tap, swipe, or insert your card, or enter the details online, and your bank checks if you have enough balance. If you don't have balance according to requirement, the payment can be declined. It's great for controlling spending and avoiding debt, but you must watch your balance and fees. For safety, never share your PIN, turn on transaction alerts, and block your card immediately if it's lost or stolen. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page for more interesting and informative videos. Thanks for watching.